There came a time when the earth grew loud with violence, and the hearts of men turned away from what was good.
Greed had become ordinary. Kindness had become rare.
Yet among them walked one man who still listened for the voice of truth.
Noah lived differently. In his home, there was labor, peace, and reverence. When others trusted only themselves, Noah still lifted his heart toward heaven. Noah.
And then, in the hush between earth and sky, the Lord spoke.
The earth is filled with corruption. I will cleanse it with a great flood.
Build an ark. Make it vast, strong, and sealed against the waters. Bring your family into it.
I will do as you command.
He did not understand everything, but he chose obedience. A flood is coming. We must build a great ark.
Then we begin together.
Faith spread through the house, not as fear, but as courage shared.
On dry ground, far from any sea, they marked the place where salvation would rise. The work began with wood, sweat, and a promise no one else could see. We will need more beams than I imagined.
Then we gather more. A ship? Here?
The old man has lost his senses. He moved according to the command, though the world around him scoffed.
A ship? Here?
The old man has lost his senses. Ridicule can be loud. Conviction must be stronger.
Oh, raise together!
Day after day, night after night, faith took shape in wood.
Why are you building something so big?
Because mercy is making room.
Turn from your violence. The waters will come.
The ark rose higher than any house, higher than ridicule, higher than doubt.
Every seam was sealed, every weakness covered, every detail obeyed.
This deck alone could hold a village.
Then perhaps it must.
Will your boat sail on dust? Enough! Let them speak.
Strength is not proved by anger, my son. Keep building.
Despite their weariness, the family toiled on, sustained by faith.
The burden is great. So is the purpose. Room by room, the ark became not a vessel only, but a refuge.
For the birds here, for the sheep there.
They prepared not only to survive, but to sustain life.
The sky has changed.
The warning had not been empty. Creation itself began to answer.
The sky has changed.
The warning had not been empty. Creation itself began to answer.
One door, one threshold between judgment and safety.